Hey guys, I'm Executive Chef Bernard Janssen at ZWILLING, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the ZWILLING Fresh and Safe vacuum system. We all know what happens when you open an avocado. It's going to turn brown in less than 20 minutes. We all need air to breathe and to survive, but it kills most of your foods. If you remove the air from your bags, from your containers, you can keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer. This avocado in a Fresh and Safe bag, I can keep it out 2 to 3 days and it will still look bright green. This is the Fresh and Safe pump. It's a small device. It's the size of a pepper grinder. It weighs 7 ounces. You charge it for 2 hours. It's good for 60 days to run. So it's not one of those big, bulky, loud units that start on your counter, move to your cupboard, end up in your garage. It actually fits your drawer tray or it sits on your counter. That means it's always close by. That makes it convenient. And this is what it does. It removes the air from your bags and from your containers. I'm going to put the pump on. Tap start once. It's going to remove the air. It's going to stop when it's done. And now I created an airtight environment. I can't open it anymore. When I'm ready to use whatever is in the container, I'm going to pull the center plug, open the container, use what I need, and save the rest. Let me show you how to keep your produce fresher up to 5 times longer using the ZWILLING Fresh and Safe bags. These work like any other resealable bag. You can open and close them as many times as you want. I'm just going to take the pump, put the pump on the red circle, tap start once. It's going to remove the air. It's going to stop when it's done, when all the air is out. When I'm ready to use my next jalapeno, I'm just opening the bag, use what I need, and save the rest. I always used to toss some of my berries because they went bad. Let me show you how to keep your berries fresh up to 5 times longer. Wash them, dry them, put them in a Fresh and Safe container, put the lid on, take the pump, tap start. The pump is going to remove the air. It's going to stop when it's done. Now we're ready to store these strawberries. The Fresh and Safe containers come in multiple sizes. They're dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, and even oven safe. So we all saw what happened to the marshmallows. They did this when we took out the air. The same thing is going to happen when we marinate our salmon. Add some dill, some lemon, some olive oil. We put on the lid. We remove the air. The pores are going to open up as well. So you're going to marinate twice as fast and twice as intensive. Then we're going to remove the lid, bake the salmon, serve in the same dish, and if we have any leftovers, remove the air again and keep them fresh up to 5 times longer. The Fresh and Safe vacuum system also comes with a wine sealer, which I actually like to call a bottle stopper because I also used it for my olive oils. But let's say you don't want to finish your whole bottle today, only enjoy 1 glass of wine. Take the bottle stopper, put it on, put the pump on, tap start again. It's going to remove the air, it's going to stop when it's done. And now I created an airtight bottle again. Basically, it's how I bought the wine. So instead of keeping it another 2 to 3 days, I could keep it 2 weeks and still enjoy it. And now the fun stuff. Let me show you the quality of the pump and the durability of those bags. I have a can in a small Fresh and Safe bag. I'm going to close it. I'm going to take the pump and I'm going to remove the air again. Press start. The pump is going to crush this can, but it's also going to leave some pretty sharp edges, showing you the durability of these bags. Now I have some pretty sharp edges, but still the bag is holding its seal. The bags are reusable. You can wash them with water and soap, just flip them inside out, wash them, dry them, and flip them back. So the ZWILLING Fresh and Safe vacuum system is going to keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer. It's going to change your food prep, and it's going to reduce food waste. Head to zwilling.com to learn more.